Hello everybody, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. This is Lois here. So today we're making jollof rice. Easy, delicious jollof rice. Alright, so here I'm putting the peppers, the sweet peppers, the onion and the Scotch bonnet and the tomatoes in. Blending it, not too smooth. Pouring it in the pot. Alright, so here I'm going to put the tomato puree in. Put as much or as little as you would like. Actually, I didn't have that much, so that was all I had. Cover it. You cover it for a while until the water comes out of the pepper. Like I said in my previous video, that's the easiest way to get fried pepper on. So we need fried pepper to get the jollof rice. So put in the thyme, the curry, and a bit of chicken seasoning. So curry here, a bit of chicken seasoning. So here I'm putting the stock in. Okay, precisely chicken stock. You can use the one at you can make it at home and put it in, but I use for that one, for this recipe, I use the store-bought just to show how easy it is to make jollof rice. You can use store-bought. You don't have to, in fact, you don't have to use chicken stock. You can just do it without the chicken stock. Okay, so I've tried it several times and it tastes very good. So yeah, putting the oil in to fry the tomato sauce. All right, okay, so I'm frying it for a while. I'm gonna fry it for a while and put some onion in. The onion, okay, there we go. The onion is coming in. You cut the onion small. It's better small, but you can cut it as big as you like, depending on your preference. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel, share and like the recipes. Thank you very much. So I fry the peppers at this point. So putting the rice in. Okay. Rice is in. Okay, so I'm frying the rice and the sauce together. I realized long ago, frying the sauce in the oil and also in the tomato sauce gives it this smoky taste. So yeah, try it. It actually tastes good this way. Yes, I'm fried it a little bit, not too much where it gets burnt, of course, but a little bit of burning also will add to the taste. Not too much, just a little bit. Okay, so I'll be pouring some hot water here. Hot water, not cold water. I learned the hard way a long time ago. It's very easy because everything is hot anyway, so it gets the cooking process going. So hot water, mix everything to make sure you're getting all the seasoning and the goodness. You cover it. So here I covered it for a couple of minutes. When it was a bit dried, then I know that okay, I need more water because it's a bit dried. So make sure yours is a little bit dry before putting more water in it. So more water going in, and yeah, mixing again to get all the flavors working. And then cover it. Yeah, let it sit for a while, and then you can see that it's almost dried. So I cut the peppers, sweet peppers, and put it on top. Let it steam, and now I'm mixing it together. And I believe I'm going to cover it soon. Okay, this is me checking to see if it's softened a bit. Let it cook for a while and then pour a little bit more water. It depends, not pour, but just like put in some water, not pour. That point. Okay, so now I'm putting in seasoning. Okay, if you realize I didn't put any salt or chicken, this is chicken stock, chicken bouillon, so you can put whatever you like. You can put salt as well. I don't use that much salt, So I'm just mixing it together here, and it was so tasty. Like, you see here that I'm taking a little bit. That's my daughter asking to taste. Okay. She said it was very nice. Okay. So I'm putting some spring onions. I'm just using that one stalk. You can use as many as you like, perfectly fine. Mixing it together. Okay, so the secret to all this at the end is just steaming it. The steam from the pot, you know, the steam is going to cook the rest of the rice. Whatever is left there will be cooked, you know. Yeah, so at this point we're done. Yes, I'm just showing you what it looks like, and it was so yummy. So if you're someone who is not used to making jollof rice, or you've seen it before, you've not made it, or you've tried it, you want another technique, try this. You'll like it. Thank you. Have a great day. Take